Today we're starting with making one line here in the very center with paper washi tape. You can take any paper or masking tape that you have. And I will just stick it here approximately in the very center. So first we start with light yellow. That is why I'm adding a lot of water here. It should be really light, not very dark. We'll add all the shadows later. And we're making super simple shapes here. I want to start with left one, with the left cheek, and we're making something like oval or an even circle here. So this will be the first one. So you can make the head larger anytime. Then we're making several lines here showing the tail, the back part, the top line of the back, I mean this one, and then covering the inner parts of the head and the body. So for the body, we're making just a very simple curved line here. And that's okay if you are leaving some parts of the white paper. And make, for example, one cheek bigger, or you can place the head a bit higher or lower. It's totally up to you. Amazing. Now let's take the smaller brush and the darker color, this one, and we're adding just several darker strokes here under the head, on the tail, with quick motions, quick strokes, and also here on the bottom line, very quickly and in a loose way. And also where we will have the eyes, just several super small strokes just to mark the place of the future eyes. Now we are using the orange color. You can take any orange, by the way. I'm using the smaller brush and the color shouldn't be liquid. And now we are making the legs. So let's start with this one. The first one will be here, and that's okay if the colors are mixing. That 3 lines to show the leg here at the bottom. The second one will be slightly slanted, like so. And the same I will do here on the left side. Great, now let's wait for everything to be completely dry. And I'm starting with this mix, yellow plus ochre, and I'm just making super small strokes like this, showing the feathers and also some textures. I will start with the head, and then we can add something like super small feathers here at the top. Then we can take the ochre color again, then making the strokes here for the tail, on the body, especially at the bottom. The same I will do on the right one. I will do the beaks. The first one will be like a rhombus here on the left cheek. And I'm simply covering it with orange color. And on the right one, I'm making also the rhombus, but slightly extended to the left. You can take any brown, mix it slightly with orange, and you will get approximately the same brown shade. So I will do super small, tiny circles for the eyes, and then I will make one more circle inside each circle. So we'll do 2, this eye should be slightly bigger and the eye on the left slightly smaller. The same for the second cheek. Okay, now I'm mixing this brown plus the colors I already have, yellow plus ochre, and I will use it just to make the last lines here, the eyebrows and the shadows. We can use it to make one tiny line on each beak in the very center for the smile. Amazing, and now let's add splatters. I will use all the colors that we have, yellow, orange, and I will add the blue color as well. So we are just taking the color and tapping with our finger. And for the blue color, I'm taking this one. So it's just a very simple blue, and the color I'm using is close to the cerulean color. My sketch is completely dry and I'm taking off the washi tape. And here on this line I will write Happy Easter. You can write your own quotation, any words or any lettering that you like. I'm using the pencil for this first, and then I will make the outline and I will do all the letters inside it. Okay, and now let's do the outline. Amazing, now let's do some darker lines on the eyes. First of all, we're making the outline of each circle and inside it making one more, but it should be smaller, like so. And of course, we're doing the outline of the beaks. Now I will add just super small quick hatches on the edges in some places. Now let's take the white pen and add highlights. First of all, I will add super small dots inside each eye. We can add 2. And on the body, if we want to show the lighter feathers. And of course, let's erase the pencil. Great, our sketch is done. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and feel inspired to create more. You can watch the full version of this lesson on my Patreon, the link in the description. See you in my next lessons.